Alleviate stress with 3 deep breaths, a guided meditation. So I want you to check in with your body and how you've treated it so far today. Have you brought kind awareness to your thoughts, your heart, or your body? It's okay. This is just a check-in. If you've done none at all, that is fine. So to begin this meditation, please bring kind awareness to why you chose this topic, how your belly, chest, and head each feel when you reflect on this topic, the emotions that you can associate with these visceral feelings, the positive or negative impact of any stories you believe in regarding this topic, the fact that many others are feeling very similar to you about this topic right now, how you might feel with increased awareness around this topic, when you can apply increased awareness to this topic in your day-to-day life. Begin by taking a deep breath and hold it for 5 seconds. Exhale and relax. Take another deep breath, as deep as you can, and hold it and count for 5 seconds. And as you exhale, just imagine blowing out all of your stress. Take a third deep breath and hold it. And as you exhale, you blow out any stress you've been holding on to, saying to yourself, you can relax now. I can relax now. This is your new solution to stress. Whenever you become stressed in the future, you simply take 3 fully in and deep breaths, holding it at the top of the exhalation for 5 seconds. And when you exhale, blow out any stresses that you may feel. And on the third breath, as you exhale, you simply say to yourself, I can relax now. Begin by slowly blinking your eyes, and with each number I say, blink once. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Allow your eyes to gently close, and when you do this, you feel a wave of relaxation sweep over you. Now I'd like for you to focus on the sensations at the top of your head. Just notice how the very top of your head feels. And now let your eyes move down And now let your focus move down to your eyes. Just notice how your eyes feel and ask them to relax even more. The little movement in your eyes is called rapid eye movement, and it's completely normal. These small eye movements allow you to feel safe and calm. Notice how the back of your head feels against the surface that it may be touching. How does your head feel right now? Does it feel heavy? Let your focus move to your nose and feel the slight sensations of the air moving in and out of your breath. When you breathe in, imagine you're being filled with calmness, and when you breathe out, imagine your body feels heavy and deeply relaxed. Very good. Now focus on your ears. Notice how they feel and what they hear around you. Try to hear every single noise. When sounds come into your ears, they act as little waves of relaxation, taking you even deeper. Notice the sound of my voice and how soothing and motherly it is. From here forward, you can only hear my voice guiding you. All other sounds passing through now only take you into a deeper state of relaxation. Now focus on your mouth. How does it feel? What do you notice? Can you sense the flavor of something you recently tasted? Perhaps you can imagine biting into the fresh slice of lemon, and you notice how your mouth waters. Very good. And move your focus now down to your neck. And if there's any tension, just ask it to release a little bit more. Notice how your neck feels right now. And just feel all the sensations in your neck. Now focus on your shoulders and move your attention slowly, going down each arm, down all the way to each fingertip. What are your fingertips touching now? Feel the sensations on your fingertips. Very nice. Allow your focus to go to your chest, relaxing this area as well as your upper back. And if you notice any tension, just ask it nicely to release just a little bit. Now imagining you are focusing on your heart and feeling it beating strongly, supporting you. Relax your heart and notice how good it feels to do so. Now focus on your lungs. Feel them gently expanding and contracting with your breath, delivering oxygen to your body. Allow your focus to move down to your vital organs and digestive system. Just notice your belly and how it feels. Just observe it working and digesting effortlessly for you. Now notice your lower back and how it is pressing against the surface you are on. And if you feel any tension, just say, please relax just a little bit more. Focus now on your pelvis and hips and notice any sensations you are having there. This takes you even deeper into a state of relaxation. allowing your focus to move down to each leg now, slowly relaxing those as well. Your legs have been taking you so many places over the years, and they deserve to fully relax now. Notice this wonderful wave of relaxation moving down to your knees and down your lower legs, all the way to your feet and to the very tip of each toe. Good. You are doing so well. Now that you have relaxed your body so well, I'm going to count down from 10. And with each descending number, your conscious mind will relax even more, letting go of any beliefs that hold you back from your goals. Imagine that you are standing at the top of a set of stairs, and when I begin counting, you will walk down the stairs. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good. It's natural that your conscious mind gives less and less importance to the words that I'm saying, allowing your subconscious mind to be present right now. From now on, you choose to be relaxed. You choose to be calm. You choose to be in control of all you do because your health is very important to you. Remember that it's natural for you to be healthy and happy. It is unnatural for you to have sickness and misery. Now hear yourself saying, each day, in every way, I get better and better. In order to make change, I challenge myself. Change is not comfortable. In fact, it is inconvenient. So if I feel comfortable with the change I am making, I am probably not extending myself enough. When I have a negative thought, I acknowledge that I feel this way and then release it. When another negative thought arises, I catch it quickly and I say with confidence, I acknowledge that part of me feels this way, but this thought does not help me right now. Each day and in every way, I get better and better. Whenever I am presented with feelings of stress, I know my breath is there to soothe me and guide me into relaxation. When I feel that darkness is surrounding me, I know that the way to see light is to take 3 deep breaths, relaxing my mind and body by doing so. Each day, in every way, I get better and better. In order to make changes, I challenge my thoughts. From now on, I question every single negative and unproductive thought that arises. From now on, I question every single negative and unproductive thought that arises. From this point forward, whenever you find yourself having negative, unproductive thoughts, you will immediately pause and say to yourself the word, stop. Let me repeat this so that what I am saying is perfectly clear. Whenever you find yourself having negative, unproductive thoughts, you will immediately pause and say to yourself the word stop. And as soon as you say the word stop, you will find that the negative thoughts you are having will just float back and perhaps even disappear. This gives you the opportunity to start a new and positive thought process. So how do you feel? Notice how you feel right now and take great note of exactly how you feel right now in this moment. Good. Now let's come to conscious awareness, bringing back everything that you learned today for the better. One, slowly coming back to this present moment. Two, feeling fresh, new energy coming in as you breathe. Three, bringing back all that you've learned today. Four, you're almost fully back. And five, welcome back. Good. You are doing very powerful work by practicing this meditation daily without skipping a day for at least 21 consecutive days. This is the way to change your life for the better. You did a great job today, and thank you so much for joining me. If you can, try to incorporate this as a daily practice for the next 21 days, using this 3 deep breath method to alleviate your stress. I am Sonia Ross. Thank you for joining us. And if you'd like to get future guided meditations, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell.